In this video, I'll show you how to create Polaroid pictures in Canva step by step. You can easily print them and use them for scrapbooks, decorations, or photo walls. So, let's get started. All right, first, click on the plus icon to create a new design. Then choose Custom Size. From the Unit dropdown, select Inches. Now set the width to 11.69 inches and the height to 2.27 inches, which is basically an A4 size page. You can change the size if you want, but this works perfectly if you plan to print it later. Now press R on your keyboard to quickly add a rectangle. This rectangle will be the base of our Polaroid frame. Next, go to Position and change the rectangle size. Set the width to 2.13 inches and the height to 3.4 inches. After that, place it on the top left side of the page. Now, inside this shape, we need to add a photo frame. So go to Elements, search for Frame, and add the square frame. Once the frame is added, go to Position again and resize it. Set the width to 1.8 inches and the height to 2.5 inches. Next, change the background shape color to anything you like. I'll make it white to get that classic Polaroid look. After that, add a solid border around the rectangle. Set the border thickness to around 1 pixel so it looks minimal. Now, place the frame inside the rectangle like this so it fits nicely and leaves some space at the bottom, just like a real Polaroid photo. Once everything looks good, select both the rectangle and the frame and group them together. Now move this grouped Polaroid frame to the top left corner of the page. After that, simply duplicate the frame multiple times to create more Polaroid slots on the page. All right, now it's time to add the images. You can upload your own photos. I'll pick images from the Elements library just to show you. Simply drag and drop the images into the frames and they will automatically fit inside. Once you've added all your photos, click on Share, then choose Download and save the design. Now you can print the page, cut the photos, and you'll have your own Polaroid-style pictures ready to use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and creative design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.